And talaga girl, I swear, pag lumabas ka, tapos nakabalot yung leeg mo nito, ay girl, what's cold? Charot. Cold doesn't bother me anyway, sabi ni ate mong Elsa. Tapos, ganyan. So, ayun girl, you protect your neck, no? Kasi yung vocal cords natin, singer tayo, diba? Girl. Hi everyone, this is Odyssey. Welcome back to my channel. Dito tayo sa bedroom natin today kasi ang dami kong mga kailangan ipakita sa inyo so that I can explain better some winter tips. This is for those na bago sa Germany. I know girl, na mahirap mag-adjust lalo na sa umpisa. So, let me guide you through. I remember, no? For me, I came December 2020. So talaga naman, girl, yung kasagsagan ng winter, naramdaman natin, girl. I'll show you the very first week that I had after my quarantine since I came nga during pandemic. Girl, hindi talaga ako ready. I couldn't, it's something na you have to know yourself kung alin bang yung mga clothes mo, yung mas fit sa weather, ganyan. So sa simula talaga, andun yung hindi mo alam. Especially galing tayo sa tropical country, galing tayo sa tropical region. So, this, for example, na 0 degrees daw sa labas, hindi mo pa na-experience yun. Kasi ang alam lang natin na lamig is yung aircon. I remember, no, this very first pic that I had, I'll put it here. Girl, may kita mo naman. So, I was wearing this tater jeans. Wala pa ako ng unterhoses sa loob. Tapos, I was only wearing coat, hindi yung mga puffer jacket. Tapos, nagspatsiran kami na ng friend ko. Pag uwi namin, girl, naka-hypothermia na si ate mong girl. Grabe yung lamig ko nun. Tapos, inom ako ng tea para lang mag-warm up ulit yung body. We are working as nurses dito sa Germany, so I'm sure you have routines as well or early shift, ganyan. Alam ko, girl, yung feeling na parang mangiyak-ngiyak ka sa lamig habang naghihintay ka ng bus, especially during weekends, no, na medyo matagal yung pagdating ng bus kumpara pag weekdays, girl, ramdam kita. So, ayun lang. So, today, I'll give you some tips para mas madali kang makapag-adjust, especially if you are new here in Germany. So, thank you for requesting this vlog. Let's start with weather. Now, when you check yung weather, no, sa phone mo, ganyan, let's go ahead and check Hamburg. So, Hamburg today is at 1 degree. So, if you can see, today daw is maaraw. Thank you so much, Papa God. So, if you check it, no, may araw daw up until 3 p.m. at 4 degrees. Ganyan. Malamig pa din. What I want you to notice is that instead of checking your actual, I want you to check on sa feels like. Kasi naman, 4 degrees daw, pero feels like negative pala, ganyan. Lalo na pag yung mahangin, maulan, ganyan. So, it's important you check yung ano yung feels like kasi magkakaiba-iba pa din. During winter too, no, the night is really longer. So, for example, right now it's already 10 o'clock. Mag-rise, wow. Sisimula yan mag-araw around 9 a.m., 10 a.m., tapos magsiset na yung araw around 4 p.m. So, madilim na naman. 4 p.m. pa lang, wala na naman ang araw. And that's something very depressing and hindi tayo sanay. Kasi nga, lagi namang mainit sa atin, diba? It's also important, lalo na pagbawa ka dito, is that you drink your vitamin D. I know na hindi tayo sanay, pero dito, kailangan mo yun. Especially, hindi nga laging maaraw during winter. Last week, for example, girl, from Monday to Friday ata yung ulan, ganyan. Another thing na nakakapanibago, no, is yung katahimikan, yung silence ng paligid, yung kadiliman. Ayun na nga, around 5 p.m., 4 p.m., sobrang, start na yung dilim, ganyan. And 6 p.m. talagang madilim na. Pero kahit ang aga pa ng gabi. I like yung mga thick curtains, especially during summer, para makatulog. But during winter, mas gusto ko yung mga light lang, gusto ko yung mga thin lang. For example, ganito yung curtain ko. Ayan, no, nakikita nyo. So, especially pag gabi, at least may makikita pa din ako na liwanag rather than talagang jet black lahat. Now, let's go ahead and talk about clothing. Paano ba, girl, mag-layer-layer ng winter? You have to understand too, no? Pag nakakita ka ng mga TikTok, ng mga Reels, ganyan, ang cute-cute nila manamit, you have to understand kung nasaan silang bandang winter. Kasi halimbawa, yung winter sa Spain, sa Italy is different. Sa winter sa Germany, mas malamig dito. And yung winter sa mga Scandinavian, like sa Sweden, sa Finland, sa Norway, etc. Mas malamig dun, girl, talagang maabot ng -30. Or yung winter sa Siberia na nag-aabot ng -50, -70. Diyos ko. You have to check din kung taga saan ba yung influencer na pinanood mo para hindi kayong magugulat na carry naman daw yung winter na to eh. Pero pagdating mo na dito, ay hindi pala girl kaya. From head to toe tayo, no? Lamigin si ate mong girl, kaya lagi dapat full gear si ate mong girl. That's a fact. So, let's start with mutse. Ganyan. So, what you wanted to protect is your ears, no? You would also see some people, no, that are wearing yung mga thick headbands o kaya yung, mga cute muffins, ganyan. Kasi pinoprotektahan nila yung ear nila. So, ganyan. Ayan. Papakita mo na may buhok ka pa din kasi magmumukha na naman talaga tayong lalaki. So, that's mutse. Laban na tayo nito. I also like wearing this one pala during winter, during autumn. So, eto. If you would notice, no, may siya, parang fur yung texture, ganyan. Kaya pwede na to sa lamig. Cute! When it comes to selecting clothes, I want you to check yung quality ng clothes versus yung presyo. Kasi, for example, sa shawl, no, sa scarf, I used to buy ng mga ganito. Yes, this is from H&M. This is very stiff, if you can notice, no? Tapos, basta, ganyan. Okay naman siya. Lalaban ka din naman sa lamig. Pero if you wanted to maximize really yung protection mo, I would rather advise you na mag-invest sa mga heat tech. Uniqlo is very famous for those products, no? So this is from them. So if you can see, hindi siya stiff. And talaga, girl, I swear, pag lumabas ka, tapos nakabalot yung leeg mo nito, ay, girl, what's cold? Charot. Cold doesn't bother me anyway, sabi ni ate mong Elsa. So, I usually like wearing it like this. Ganyan. Tara. Ayan. So, protektado na tayo, no? Some people also like wearing it. Ganyan. Tara. Or, yung lang, very saktuhan lang. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan. So, ayun, girl. You protect your neck, no? Kasi yung vocal cords natin, singer tayo, diba? Girl. That's accessories. And of course, if lamigin ka din like me, no, girl. Where is it? Kailangan din natin ito ng gloves. Especially if gusto mo yung may hawak ka na thermomug, ganyan, para iinom ka ng coffee mo, ng tsaa mo, papunta ka sa work habang nagko-commute, girl. Another accessory that is very important for me to say to you would be itong itong sole na to. Ganyan. So, you have to put it inside ng shoe mo, no? If you like yung mga winter boots, lalo na yung mga fleece, lalo na yung mga fur or fleece sa loob, girl. Sarap nun, makainit talaga sa paa. So, I bought this from DM. They have different selections. So, this is merino wool. They also have parang hip pads. They also have wool. They have fleece, whatever. So, kindly check it sa DM. DM would be, kumbaga, Watson sa atin na mas malaki and mas madami kang mabibili doon. So, ayun na nga. When it comes sa pagli-layer ng clothes, no? Before you use or before you wear itong mga straight yake. Wait, ayusin ko muna yung buhok ko. Ganyan. So, when it comes sa pag-layer nga ng damit, no, before you wear yung jacket mo, yung pullover mo, ganyan, you would have to wear first mga Unterwäsche, yung mga undergarment clothes. This is a heat tech from Uniqlo. Girl, kailangan mo to kasi talagang Hindi ko na ulitin. Lamig. So this one first, I have different variations of this. I also have these, for example, if you would notice talaga naman. No? Makikita mo. Uniqlo, I know it's a little bit expensive kumpara sa iba, but really, I would advise you na mag-invest na lang sa mga ganito. C&A also has mga heat-tech options. It's more affordable than Uniqlo, so you may want to check it too. So this one, for example, it's already turtleneck, so talagang protektado na yung leeg natin dito. When it comes sa Unterhose, before again you wear yung mga pants, etc. I would advise you na pag bumili ka ng pants, no, especially if you like to wear it during winter, do a one size larger kasi you're wearing Unterhose, so parang ang sikip kasi sa feeling kasi naka-double, tatlong layer ka pa, etc. So, you may want to have na mga comfortable, medyo malaki yung size sa'yo kasi meron ka pang mga undergarments sa loob. I have different variations ng Unterhose, no? So, for example, this one is from Primark. It's around 7 euro ata. Lagi, pag winter, lagi tong Ausverkauft. So, pag nag-open na sila, girl, during autumn, bumili ka na kasi wala na naman, ubusan na naman to. So, if you notice, no, ayan, may fleece siya. So, if it's around 5 to 10 degrees sa labas, no, kaya na ako nito, girl, ipaglaban. This is very good. This is from Uniqlo. Mas manipis siya kumpara dito sa Primark. Heat-tech to, so laban-laban din to sa lamig. And I don't like wearing mga skinny jeans na kasi parang naka-puffer jacket ka na nga na naka-puffer jacket ka na nga na feeling mo ganyan ka. Tapos, nandami mo pang layer sa loob. Tapos, basta ang uncomfortable ng feeling minsan kasi nga patong-patong. So, you would rather yung mga pullover, yung mga pants is that you go one size larger para komportable ka pa din, girl. So, I also like yung mga wide leg pants, yung mga Stoffhose is what they call it. You can check it sa Zalando or other internet site, no? Jogging pants is also a good option, no? Pero for me, I would rather go sa mga Stoffhose. Ayan. What's important is that when you wear these things, no, itakin mo lahat, girl. Imagine, halimbawa, may hangin, ganyan. Dapat yung hangin na yun is hindi makaka-penetrate sa skin mo kasi lalamigin ka. So, what I mean to say is that pag naka-Unterhose ka, di ba? So, dapat itakin mo na, girl, yung hem mo din sa loob. Same goes with medyas. Dapat, kumbaga, naka-ilalim din yung hose, ganyan, para walang makapenetrate at hindi ka talaga lalamigin, girl. Now, ito pala yung medyas, no? If you're wearing yung mga sports socks, ganyan, kailangan mo pa yun i-double 2-layer. But if you have these mga heat-tech socks or itong mga knitted socks, pwede na to, girl. Kahit isang layer lang, okay lang. Now, when it comes to materials na you have to consider pag nagbibili ka or pag nag-shopping ka, no? I want you to take into consideration yung mga ganitong materials. So, one is wool, cashmere, bounvole or cotton, merino wool. Do avoid yung mga polyester, yung mga viscose, yung mga plastic, ganyan. I'll show you na lang. Okay. Ito yung mga unang-una kong mga nabili, no, na winter clothes dati. I still wear this, pero alam kong kailangan ko pa ng extra layer pag gagamitin ko to. Yeah, 70% polyacrylic. Comparing this one and then this one, ito mas mainit sa akin kasi knitted siya. I know na medyo pricey naman talaga when it comes to buying mga winter clothes, no? But I would rather ask you to invest on it kaysa mangyak-ngyak ka sa lamig. You're not going to buy naman mga 10 sets, 20 sets sa mga different clothes. Kasi, for example, ako naman, I wear yung clothes ko, no, 3 times ganyan before ko palitan. Since you only wear it papunta sa work, pag commute lang. Pagdating mo naman sa work is magpapalit ka na naman ng uniform nyo, etc. So, hindi naman siya yung bonggang na dumihan. You really invest in good clothes, lalo na pag winter. Pag summer, go girl. Maybe save, watch out for sales to, especially ito no, nagkaroon ng Black Friday. Ang kalaban mo lang, sobrang dami ng tao. Pero if you can save on it, then go ahead and why not? Or maybe check online. I'll show you my new puffer jacket. This is from Uniqlo. It's a little bit pricey na for me, no? Pero pinag-ipunan ko yon, and I don't regret buying it kasi kahit sobrang lamig sa labas, girl, kaya tayong ipaglaban. Doon tayo sa kaya tayong ipaglaban. Charot. Pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Tapos gusto ko yung mahaba. Yung talagang takip yung ano mo, no? Yung puwet mo. Kasi malamig sa puwet. Ganyan. So, ayun, up to lower leg ko siya. So, around 10 degrees, kaya na ng ganito na medyo naka-open lang siya. Pero pag nag-5 degrees na girl, tapos nag-negative pa girl, sara mo lahat na walang makakapasok na hangin. Ayan. So, dapat na nakamutsi ka, naka-scarf ko, ganyan, naka-full gear ka. Pero I'm just showing you, eto. So, yung mga buttons, go girl. Ayan siya. No? I really like this winter jacket. When it comes naman sa skincare, pag-usapan na din natin to, sobrang lakas makadry ng lamig. So girl, this was recommended by my friend Ate Jem, itong Advanced Nail Dual Essence. Girl, after waking up, for example, I use makeup remover para matanggal yung mga products na ginamit ko ng ginagabihan. I like using essence or lotion first before putting on my sunscreen. Mag-sunscreen ka pa din kahit malamig or kahit maulan sa labas kasi andyan pa din naman talaga yung araw. Essence, and then I put on the sunscreen, and then I put on moisturizer. This is affordable. This is from Sebamed. So, matte na siya, tapos, girl, yung Feuchtigkeit, tas lakas niya pa din maka-hydrate. I also like from La Roche-Posay. Medyo mahal siya kumpara dito sa Sebamed. So, I just bought this one for now. Ito, girl, alam ko yung maging problema mo dito, dandruff. Kasi nga, ang lakas makadry. Sinasabi ko talaga sa iyo, girl. Hindi mo kailangan maligo everyday. Maligo, I mean, is yung shampoo. Pero syempre, paliguan pa din natin yung body natin. Hindi mo kailangan mag-shampoo everyday. For me, I do every third day ng pag-shampoo. It's important, no, i-double shampoo mo yan, girl. Kasi yung first shampoo mo, if you would notice, hindi yan mabula. Kasi nga, oily pa din. But on the second one, dun mo na talagang malilinis or mararainig yung, yung scalp mo. And then afterwards, use mask para hindi pa din siya drying. And then I also do this cough out serum. This is from Harliebe. So, nung umpisa din, grabe ang lakas makadandruff. But after I've been using this, umokay na siya. Nagberuhik na yung ko, yung scalp ko. So, maybe this would help you too if halimbawa magkaroon ka ng dandruff dito sa Germany. Other things that I wanted to say, movement. Do a certain movement kahit malamig, kahit nakakatamad pumunta sa gym. Kasi iba pa din talaga yung napagpawisan ka at least. Magaan sa pakiramdam, masarap sa pakiramdam, mainit sa pakiramdam. So take some time as well to do some movement. Kung ayaw mag-gym, then go ahead and just stay at home. There's a lot of YouTube videos na if you wanted to do some hits, some yoga, some pilates, you just have to choose. These days too, I like doing yung mga zumba-zumba. Ay. They say no na winter daw is soup season. Totoo talaga kasi gusto mo ng mainit something, no? So, maybe you would be interested to try out different recipes instead of yung mga usual sa atin. I'm sure gusto natin lahat ng tinola, ng sinigang, ng egg drop soup. Ay, paborito ko din yan. But maybe you would also be curious, ano ba girl yung lasa ng pumpkin soup? Ano ba girl yung lasa ng tomato soup? So, the world is your oyster, girl. Pumunta ka lang sa grocery store and then buy those products. It's not as hard as you think it is. Tapos, mapaproud ka sa sarili mo na may matutunan ka na naman. You may want to make your room cozy para talaga namang kahit napakalamig sa labas, pag umuwi ka, yung kalmado ka ulit, tapos, ay, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ay, buti pa dito sa bahay ang init. Ay, buti pa dito sa bahay komportable, cozy, kanyan. You may want to have that kind of feeling. Dapat yung relax ka na kahit gaano kalamig sa labas, pag umuwi ka naman ng bahay, mainit, tapos may masarap kang pagkain, tapos makapag-relax ka. Parang kayang-kaya mo talaga yung winter na yan. They say no, winter is the time that you go inward talaga to reflect how your year had been, ano ba yung mga kailangan mong baguhin mo sa buhay, ano ba yung mga things na hindi na nag-workout for you, ano yung intention mo, ano yung goal mo next year. This is the time na mag-reflect ka sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, si summer is yung joyful, alive, high energy, ganyan. And then there goes autumn. Ito yung short transition. Ito yung pag-warm up para sa winter. And then there's winter, no? Na kalmado lang, ganyan, peaceful lang. You really have to slow down and then be kind to yourself. Kasi winter sometimes can be beautiful, can it also be harsh, especially pag hindi ka pa sanay. And then, of course, there's spring, when everything blooms again. Ma-appreciate mo talaga, girl, yung spring. Lalo na pag, pag 3 months na sobrang lamig na winter, ganyan. And then comes March, no? Lalo na pag middle na ng March, na may kita mo na yung mga tulips dyan sa gilid-gilid ng kalsada. Girl, nakakaiyak, ayan na si spring. So you would appreciate this change of season na, ay, salamat, na-survive ko ang first winter ko dito sa Germany. So there you go. Again, I hope this helps you, lalo na sa pag-adjust mo dito, especially if it's your first winter sa Germany. Thank you so much for being with me today, for dreaming with me. This has been Odyssey, and I hope I'll see you on the next. Cheers!